In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Microsoft Copilot conversations to a PDF. This process is straightforward and incredibly useful, especially if you want to keep a record of your AI interactions or share them with others. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to navigate to Microsoft Copilot. This is your AI companion where your conversations take place. Once you're there, ensure that you're logged in and have the right conversation window open that you want to export. It's a good idea to have your conversation visible on the screen before you proceed with the next steps. Now let's look at how to copy the conversation. Simply highlight the entire conversation with your mouse, just as you would with any other text, and then right-click to select the copy option. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C if you're on Windows, or Command+C if you're on a Mac, which is often faster and more efficient. This copies your conversation to the clipboard, making it ready to be transferred to another document. Moving on, it's time to paste your conversation into a Word document. To do this, open up Microsoft Word or any similar word processing software you have. Once you're in a new document, right-click to select Paste or use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac to quickly paste the entire conversation you just copied. You might want to take a moment to ensure that all the text has been pasted correctly and is formatted in a way that suits your needs. You can adjust the font size, style, or even add some headings or notes if necessary to make the document look more organized. Finally, we're ready to save your conversation as a PDF. To do this, click on File in the top menu of your word processor. A drop-down menu will appear, and you'll need to select the Save As or Export option, depending on your version of Microsoft Word. You'll be prompted to choose the format in which to save your document. Select PDF from the list of available formats. Once selected, click Save and choose an appropriate location on your computer where you'd like to keep your PDF file. It's always a good idea to review the PDF file to ensure that everything looks right before you share or archive it. And there you have it. You've successfully exported a Microsoft Copilot conversation to a PDF. This can be an invaluable tool for capturing and preserving the interactions you have with AI, as well as for sharing insights or instructions with colleagues, friends, or classes. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.